Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Thomas with TMWYT, back again in the home garage. Sitting under the lights today, we have Jordan's car. What are we doing today, sir?
Some seats.
We're doing some seats in the MK7 GTI. We have an NRG PRISMA Ultra. Super sick fixed back bucket seat. That means there's no reclining function and no sliders. I'm pretty sure you can get sliding brackets, but Jordan went with the fixed bracket, and these bolt right up to the NRG seats, and they'll go right into the MK7 GTI. But very cool seat, black Alcantara or suede, however you want to call it, and then the NRG PRISMA logo here. I love the PRISMA logo. Everything is embroidered, super nice quality. You have the dual cutouts for the harnesses that he's going to be running here in the near future. As soon as we get his harness bar roll cage done, video on that as well coming, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to see that. But yeah, all the embroidery looks super nice. I love all the different colors.
So you got, has little pockets right here, so say you're driving, just slide your phone in there.
That's Jordan's favorite function. That's why he went straight to that. He don't even care about the bucket seat. All those. I was getting to that. You're jumping ahead of me. All right, show him again. Oh my gosh. Looks like a freaking fishing boat. This is so sick. So much glitter on the back of these seats. Looks very cool. So when we do the rear seat delete in this car and you pop the trunk at shows, you'll see very cool glittery, and it's got the NRG PRISMA logo here on the back as well. Very cool. Super budget friendly racing seats if you want to do this to your MK7 GTI as well. I don't want to show you too much, but the driver's seat already done, so we're going to jump right over to the passenger. But link down in the description for the seat brackets as well as the PRISMA Ultras. And Jordan is just going to jump right into showing you guys how to do this install.
So you're going to need a T50, 2 in the back and 2 in the front, and then it comes right out.
All right, super simple. We have the death of the driver's seat right here. It has met its demise here in my garage. It'll probably be turned into an office chair. But here we'll get a better look at the bolts, the T50s, right?
Yeah, so you got one right here, one right here,
front corner, rear corner,
one right there, and then one in the back right there.
So each corner of the seat is gonna have a T50.
And then you're also gonna reuse these for the brackets that you buy.
The bolts, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then you can do the brackets, they just bolt right in, or you can do the sliders if you want to get those ones. Jordan just wanted the fixed position because he's the only one that drives this car, and he's not really changing his height anytime soon. With the death of this driver's seat, the passenger seat is gonna match it here. So Jordan's gonna jump right into it, starting with the front 2, move to the rear 2, pop this seat out, and then we will make it match the driver's side. All right, so Jordan just got right into it. Front 2 bolts already done. Back left is done as well. They're just down here in the corners. It's got the little socket on there. And if you own a Volkswagen, it's really, really wise to just get a full set of Torx bits, because Volkswagen loves their Torx bits everywhere. If it's not a clip or something made out of plastic, it's a Torx bit. So pretty easy to remove. You can use this lever here to raise the seat all the way up to get access to the bolts better.
So you just go like this, and then
this thing still weighs so much. That's one of the big pluses for doing the NRG seats, is they're really, really light, because it really is. There's no heaters. So Jordan is losing the heated seat functionality. And fixed backs mainly for racing, so losing stuff like the airbags in them. The functionality of being able to adjust it, like this has the motor for tilt adjustment, has the transit. I mean, you can see just all this stuff on here, these big sliding rails. It is super heavy. Oh, okay. All right, so with one arm, super heavy, super hard to lift. So much lighter, I can't even. Yeah. I'm a weakling, but that gives you the picture of how much lighter these seats are. So very, very cool. They hug you so nice. I've already, like I said, I've already driven the car with the driver's seat in there. Man, it's just such a good snug fit, snug feeling. And Jordan's favorite feature down here, the little phone pocket, little vape pocket, whatever you need, little 10mm socket pocket. Set up to have a crotch harness.
Yeah. So
if you want that. I don't think Jordan's gonna run one. Oh, that's sick! And all these panels are removable, so you can vacuum out everything.
yes.
Get the seats nice and clean. Are these ones removable? Oh,
Yes. And then if you look at
wow.
the bottom right here, it's actually, you can take them out and say you want to get different ones. I know NRG sells them on their site. So say,
different covers,
Yeah, so say I wanted to do like the gray that they have in the center.
which you should have bought.
Well, okay, we're not gonna go there.
This is a good start. Black's a good
Yeah.
start.
So
Maybe I'll get you the gray ones.
then I can just go right here and remove all this and put the gray centers or the red centers, just have like an accent color.
Exactly. So if you ever jizz on your seat when you're doing a fat
Exactly,
pull on the
right?
freeway, you can
Yeah.
just get new covers. Are you just disconnecting the harness down there?
Yeah.
And there's just one plug right there?
There's 3.
Oh, there's 3. It's just below the carpet.
Yep, so you, basically it will be tucked down like that. There's a little clip that's held in by this, and then you just pop that, and then it releases the carpet out.
Jordan should be doing this with the battery disconnected, but he likes to risk it for the biscuit while unplugging the airbag sensors. So if an airbag pops out in his face and he flies across my garage floor, I can say I told you so while I drive him to the hospital. Okay, Jordan's pulling out the stock seat. It's like getting a big girl out of the car after a date.
Oh my god, yeah, she got too drunk.
Big Bertha, yeah. Get that out. Yeah, these seats are deceivingly heavy.
This is why you don't get a girlfriend.
Oh my, what is that? Hold, dude, that's like kryptonite or something. Oh my. Hurry, just get the. Oh.
We don't put that part in the video.
Oh, this is going in the video. Shouts out to Jordan's GF. We don't know what that is, but it looks like some.
We still love you.
Looks like some Sour Patch Kids just splurged all over your carpets.
Probably.
So, there's the shop vac.
Yep, now we get to vacuuming.
Jordan's gonna vacuum. Perfect opportunity to get it all cleaned up before throwing it in the new seat. Shouts out to the shop vac. Oh, it's like a brand new car in here. No more Sour Patch Kids jizz. Quick detailer. Shouts out to the brush. If we took out the front seats, you could just drive from the back seat and have so much leg room. Look at that! Oh my gosh!
Just chill out.
Who needs
you know,
seats up there, bro? You
watch
just
some movies.
Oh my, yeah, put a plasma screen in there. It'd be sick. Pop it up at the shows, be like, yo. Dude, that is so satisfying to clean right there. I've always wanted to just like wipe that down in my
very
car.
satisfying.
But you can't fit anything in there.
No. I mean, once you take out the seats, you got all this room. Even
Really?
with the buckets.
That is so dope. Dude, I'm so excited for that. Yeah, I'll be doing bucket seats soon, guys. Yeah, look at all this. You can vacuum under here now. That's sick. Yeah, all this area, because it's such a smaller seat. Dude, that's legendary. I like all this room. You can get a shot back in here easy. Yeah, Jordan's build's coming along nicely, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying all the content. Make sure to subscribe. Tick that notification bell to be notified whenever videos like this be dropping. But yeah, build's coming along nicely. Okay, and I don't know if I mentioned earlier, the brackets that Jordan ended up going with are from Planted. And I'll leave a link down in the description below if you want to do these ones. But it's got them mounted in here. Perfect fit. Got the 4 Torx bits in here in each of the corners. And then it relocates the seatbelt bracket. So while Jordan waits to do his roll cage, he's gonna move over the stock seatbelt so he's driving like a safe boy. And then there's a couple different mounting locations, right, for the seats. So you can mount them, you know, farther up, to the left. Cool, so you have different options.
Yeah, say I want to sit lower, I would just move it down, and you can move it down 3, and then up front, you have a bunch in the front too. So right now, mine, what I like it like is you do the one right here, and then these ones drop down 1.
And it's perfect.
It's perfect.
Exactly how he likes it. Right now, Jordan is getting the seat bracket bolted up to the bottom of the seat so that he can drop it in. We are going to remove the seatbelt bracket here with the stock seatbelt plug-in right here and move it over to the brackets because there's a place for it. We didn't have the right Torx bit, so obviously we have this mess of drilling it out and glue grinding it off, but we got it out. So right now Jordan is attaching the seatbelt to the bracket. Nice. So then there'll be a seatbelt on the side there. All right, Jordan got the seatbelt installed on the new NRG seat. And you just toss it in. Oh, it's looking sick. Yep, see a little seatbelt there. Retains the stock seatbelt just in case you guys want to do that. All right, Jordan's just hand tightening all those Torx bits. This is gonna be 4, just like on the stock seats, using the stock hardware. Got all the plastic peeled off. Dope. Click your ticket.
Money.
All right, guys, as you know, we got the wrap finished up on Jordan's GTI here, sitting so pretty under the gas station lights, my classic cinematic location spot. But now I'm gonna show you the seats the best way that I can. They are black and the interior is pretty dark, so I did the best that I can, so hopefully it turns out. But let's drop that here. Okay, and that was the, that's how they look in the GTI. I wish Jordan would have done a little bit more fun color, but they turned out super cool. They definitely hug
Clean and simple.
Hug your booty when you're ripping the GTI around town.
Up the canyon.
They're super nice.
The bends.
Just hop in them real quick. They're kind of a to get into, but
And a bitch to get out.
yeah. But this is kind of like the hugging action we got. So I'm like a small boy, and they're pretty comfy, pretty huggy.
Ooh.
But my favorite part is the, if I can show it from this angle, the glittery seat back. Those look super cool, as opposed to, like, you know, a more expensive option like a carbon fiber. So imagine I pull up to the gas station like Jordan, like, sick Mark 7, dude. Okay, gotta fuel it up. Okay,
You just gotta like, just throw the door open.
Jesus. You're kind of gonna like mangle yourself out.
Your butt.
Yeah, it's not very graceful to get out of them, but I think they are a huge improvement over the stock seats. Oh, they're not comfy?
No. 5-hour road trip, no. Around town, not bad.
Not bad.
Not
okay.
bad.
Yeah, he did drive this car down to Vegas with these seats, and
State Rev Part 2.
guess didn't really like them. But around town, if this is just your street car, they should perform pretty well. So a good budget-friendly fixed back racing seat, if that's what you're looking for your Mark 7 GTI or any car for that matter. Bucket seats are super cool because they save weight. They look really cool. It's like a driving improvement mod because, you know, you feel more planted in the car and it feels more like you're driving a sports car or a fast street car with seats like that, because, you know, obviously the stock GTI seats are going to be focused on comfort. I mean, they have a little bit of bolstering, but that was not their main kind of thing from the factory. So now these have the very aggressive bolstering. The suede is nice and buttery and smooth, and these cushions are all removable, and the phone pocket down here is pretty neat. $360 a pop for a seat is still cheaper than the seats that I'm looking at, which are $2,000 a piece. So pretty wild. I definitely recommend these if you're in the market for a bucket seat for your GTI. If you do track your car especially, I think this would be an awesome mod for you.
For a drift car, they'd be killer. But for a daily driver, I don't recommend.
Yeah, if this is your track car, you know, it's a great upgrade because they're cheap, they work great, and they're good. It's pretty sick. Pretty sick. Yeah, but definitely recommend these seats. I'll leave the link down in the description below. In the last two videos, you saw how dirty the Viennas were, and now look how pretty and clean. So freaking sick. If you guys enjoyed today's video showing you how to throw some bucket seats in the Mark 7 GTI, please leave a like down below, comment. Tell us what you want to see next on Jordan's car. He needs more ideas. We have a couple of things in the works, but, you know, let us know what you guys wanted to see. You know, other cars, other builds. I can always make it happen because I'm making this content for you guys. So, all right, we're gonna get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will catch you in the next one.